Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For this DIY, I was super inspired by Scandinavian decor, so today I will be sharing how I made this beautiful, simple wreath from leather. If you're new to DIYing, this wreath is super easy to make and it only requires 2 tools. You'll only need a glue gun and some scissors. Here's the supplies you'll need to make it. If you're not familiar with my blog, I love to share all my DIYs on there. I'll go ahead and link it up here for you guys so you can check it out for the full list of supplies and links to the supplies. So there's a few different wreath bases that you could use for this DIY. There's this round one that I found, and there's also this one with sharper edges. I did not go with the round one because I feel like it was a little too thin for the look that I was going for. I picked the one with the sharper edges. I started off by cutting 1-inch strips out of my faux leather. These strips don't have to be the same exact width when you cut them. As long as they're similar, you should be good to go because they'll be overlapping anyway. You can choose to use real leather for this. I actually went ahead and used faux leather because it was a lot cheaper and I had planned on giving it a weathered look later on anyway. For this wreath, I ended up using about 3/4 of a yard of vinyl. Before wrapping my leather strips around the wreath base, I actually just went ahead and rubbed off all the rough edges that were on the wreath base. Okay, now to attach the strips to the wreath, I started by securing the first one with hot glue at a diagonal angle and cut off any remaining leather. Then I went ahead and attached the second strip diagonally as well in the opposite direction, creating an X shape. I secured it to the back and cut off what was remaining as well. Next, I attached the third piece at the same angle as I attached the first piece, just below the second piece. Gosh, I hope that's not confusing. It's okay if the leather strips overlap each other. This is the pattern I used, and I alternated repeating these steps until I covered the whole wreath, pretty much continuing to create the X shape with the strips as I make my way all the way around the wreath. I know this sounds a little bit confusing. I actually had a hard time figuring it out at first. I was thinking you could probably just grab a leather strip and wrap it around the wreath as well instead of doing the X pattern. I honestly think either pattern looks super cute. I also noticed that you can actually see the hot glue through the leather, so I focused on only adding the hot glue onto the back side of the wreath. Okay. Next, I painted a strip of leather with some black chalk paint and sewed on some stitching. This is totally optional and it is only for decorative purposes because I ended up hot gluing it in the end anyway, but I just wanted to give that extra touch. To give the leather a weathered look, I tried a few different methods. The first one was kind of a fail. For my first attempt, I decided to try and dilute some acrylic brown paint in water. Then I took this mixture and dabbed it onto a sponge and I rubbed it onto the wreath. The consistency of the paint ended up being way too runny and it just made the wreath a solid color instead of giving it like a slightly weathered look. So I wiped it off, and next I tried getting the sponge wet and I wringed it out as much as I could. I then took the paint and dabbed it onto the sponge directly right out of the bottle. Then I applied this onto the wreath. I let it dry and went on to washing the sponge again. Once the paint was dry, I went ahead and wiped off as much as I could off the wreath, scrubbing it pretty much, and removing most of the paint. This left the paint in the cracks and gave it like a weathered look. I then used some hot glue to secure my black leather strap to the top of the wreath, and I trimmed some greenery and attached it onto both sides of the strap. To make sure that my greenery actually lay flat, I ended up trimming it on the back side of each pine sprig. I then applied hot glue and slightly stuck each piece of greenery under the leather strip. I then moved the leather strap back onto the center and added a few pine cones, securing them with hot glue as well. And that's it! I love the simplicity of this wreath. It's so easy to make and I feel like you can have it up all winter long. You can also make it any color, although I do love the neutral beige color. I think it'll match almost anything. Thank you so much for tuning in, you guys. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you did and subscribe for more DIYs. I will see you guys all next time. Bye!